Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot Stays Home, a story about viruses and safe distance. Hi, I'm a little safety spot. I'm here to help you stay safe when a virus is spreading too fast and gets a lot of people very sick. What is a virus? Viruses are tiny particles that can make you ill. They're so small that you can only see them with a microscope. These particles are aka as germs. These germs love to stick on your hands, doorknobs, cardboard boxes, and toys. That's why we disinfect surfaces like countertops and objects. A virus can move from an object like a doorknob to your hand. Once it's on your hand, it can enter your body when it touches your eyes, nose, or mouth to make you sick. Eyes, nose, mouth. Use soap. That's why it's important to wash your hands to clean off the germs before you eat, after you go to the bathroom, and after you're done playing. Wash your hands really well for at least 20 seconds. Sing the happy birthday song twice. When a virus enters your body, you start to have symptoms. Symptoms don't make you feel very good. They can be a fever, a cough, and a sore throat. People get spread a virus more when they have symptoms because germs come out of their nose and mouth when they cough or sneeze. If you become sick, you should stay at home or go to the doctor, which can help prevent others from getting ill. If you are having symptoms, wearing a mask is a great way to prevent the virus from spreading. This also shows you're being kind by not wanting to spread germs to others. If you are healthy, wearing a mask can protect you. If you are around someone who is sneezing and coughing. When someone is sick and sneezes, germs can spread from their nose and mouth up to 6 feet. So for everyone, a safe distance is 6 feet length of your bed. Some viruses can be very contagious and cause an outbreak. When this happens, older adults like grandmas and grandpas and as people with low compromised immune systems can get sick very easily. This can be very harmful. We need to be responsible and help them. We can do this by hand washing and limiting contact with others and keeping a safe distance. During an outbreak, if safe distancing doesn't slow down the virus fast enough, everyone will need to stay home. This means no parties or seeing friends or extended family. Schools may be also closed for a while, too. This is called a stay-at-home order. When everyone stays at home, doctors have time to find out more about the virus and prepare for patients. It also helps them find a treatment that can help before the virus hurts a lot of people. When we need to stay home, can we leave our house at all? Great question. You can go for your walk with the immediate family as long as you are at a safe distance from others. People can also leave their homes if it's absolutely necessary, like to get food, to go to the doctor, or your job is considered essential. What are essential workers? Essential workers need to be at work and help us keep us safe. They help treat sick people and deliver stock important items. These people are doctors, nurses, police officers, grocery store workers, and delivery workers. Just to name a few, we should be very thankful for these who have the courage to go to work every day. Staying at home will require a lot of patience and support for one another too. It can be also great to spread kindness by thanking all the people who keep us safe. There may be a time when you feel sad that you can't see your family or friends, but there are other ways you could connect with them. You could video chat or call them on the telephone. Or you can write a letter and send it through the mail. You can even decorate the envelope. Include some artwork too. This time can be difficult for a lot of us, and getting a letter in the mail can brighten someone's day. Since school buildings may be closed, you'll have to learn as much as you can at home, and that will be fun too. You can learn math by measuring ingredients while baking, or by sorting clothes, counting shirts, and matching socks too. You can learn a new skill or spend extra time with your immediate family. And it can inspire you to be creative or encourage you to be organized and tackle new projects. Hopefully, I was able to help you understand more about viruses and why people need to keep a safe distance and stay at home. It's important to keep a positive outlook and remember viruses don't last forever. If we work together, things will get better. Thank you, essential workers. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!